This tutorial shows you multiple methods to scan QR codes quickly and easily on your Android device. First, open the camera application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the camera viewfinder ready to capture photos. Following that, point your camera directly at the QR code you want to scan. Now, make sure the QR code is clearly visible and centered in the frame. Moving forward, your camera will automatically detect and scan the QR code. Afterwards, a notification or pop-up will appear with the QR code content or link. In addition to that, tap on the notification to open the link or view the information. Once you've tried this method, there's another quick way using the Quick Settings panel. Subsequently, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Moreover, swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings menu. Afterwards, look for the QR scanner tile among the Quick Settings options. Then, tap on QR Scanner to launch the built-in QR code scanner. Within this section, point your phone at the QR code and it will scan automatically. Alternatively, if you don't see the QR scanner tile, you can add it to Quick Settings. Once you've checked both methods, if neither is available on your device, don't worry. Then, open the Google Play Store and search for QR code scanner. Afterwards, download and install any highly rated QR scanner app from the store. Then, open the app and grant camera permissions to start scanning QR codes instantly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you scan QR codes on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one!